DR fam, hope everybody's doing well. Just a quick recap of today. I actually did not trade at all today. Had a pretty busy day at work, and by the time I got to be able to really look at charts and things like that, it was really in the afternoon, and the move had already kind of happened. But I still want to kind of go through what I saw or what I would have seen or how I would have played the market today. Again, just hope it helps somebody to kind of get this DR, IDR concept down a little bit better. So again, this will be hopefully relatively short. But what I noticed as I look back is a few things, and we kind of talk about this on every video. Um, but we notice here that around 11 is when right before 11 is when the DR high confirmed. And then what we expect to happen is that pullback. And so when that pullback occurs, I want you to notice where it goes. All right. So um, again, I normally look for a few places for DR to kind of turn around once it confirms. What is the IDR, this light gray dash line, which is the zero point 0.5 fib, or the IDR and DR to the other side. And remember, we talk about this midnight open line here. So this midnight open, again, we said it always acts as support or resistance. In this case, if you notice, it kept price kept coming back down right around that midnight open, and it would not break through. All right, so that midnight open became a very strong support for price, and so because we had confirmed high expectations that we would actually keep moving higher. So really, anywhere in here, you could have taken once this thing confirms, I could have taken, or you would have taken that trade, the high. For me, I like it would have put my order here at the IDR with my stop being below the zero point 0.5 fib. So, that's about another 4 or 5 point stop loss, and then just let that ride up. Okay, so that would have been the move I would have made. If you missed that move, notice something here that price went up, and there's some ICT terms here, some market structure shifts that happened and things like that. But it created this fair value gap right here. And if you notice, when price went up, remember the other thing we talk about is once price takes out a buy side or sell side, price normally reverses like at least 5 to 10 points. And you notice what happened right here. Price went up, took out this buy side at 39.65, and actually came all the way back down to 39 like 55, so at 10 points to create that fair value gap. And then the next candle went into that fair value gap and then took off. So that would have been an entry point here. And then same thing here. Fair value gap was created. Another entry point here. So you still have some room to run if you were looking at it from like an ICT standpoint. But from a DR IDR standing, again, we had a confirm about half hour after the range was set, and then it confirmed a few times, and then it came back down to the midnight using that as support, and then took off from there. So that would have been the trade. Again, we're talking 4 or 5 points or 4 points of risk for whatever the reward would be, and this was a phenomenal day here. So we had about a 50-point move off of this DR 40, yeah, about almost a 50-point move. So that would have put a little money in your pocket. All right, well, hopefully this helps, and if you have questions, let me know. Take it easy.